Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. Now I want to talk to you about something that's probably going to make you mad because this is mostly a lawyer group, but I want to kind of just teach you a little bit of marketing psychology and how I would market these paralegal services. Now this person contacted me recently and said they've been running Facebook ads and they're not getting any results. And actually, they're getting few results. They're getting, not a lot of leads. And the ones that they get, they are people that say, I don't have any money, I can't afford to pay you. So I wanted to break down their ads and show you, just looking at from a purely marketing standpoint, what the problem is with these ads and what you can do differently. So these are the two ads that I saw them running. This ad was actually running last night. It's not currently running. And then this ad right here is still running. So part of the problem is that you're on Facebook and this is just a straight advertisement. There's nothing about this that is beneficial, that's interesting to people. It really doesn't, especially this one, it really doesn't, most people don't know what do paralegals do? The average person doesn't know that. They don't know that that if you have like an uncontested divorce with no children, or if they're trying to get like a simple contract done or something like that, they don't know that paralegal services are available. Now, like I said, I'm probably going to make some lawyers mad because they're going to say, most lawyers are going to say, oh, you can't do a paralegal. You have to have a lawyer to do this. I'm not. That's not what I'm trying. That's not my point for this. I'm not saying whether this is a good service or not. I'm just saying strictly from a marketing standpoint, what's wrong with these ads and what I would do differently if I were marketing this company. So don't email me about all the problems with if there's a potential problem with not using an attorney. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just giving you some information here, but you can use this information for your own law firm. So, for example, they say, don't let legal matters spook you. We are professional and affordable. We offer payment plans. Now, one of their big complaints is that people are contacting them and can't afford to pay. But they're already targeting people that don't have a lot of money, because you're saying right off the bat, we have payment plans. So you're saying if you can't afford a normal legal service, call us. So I think you're inviting some of those issues there. Now, I'm not saying don't do that. I'm just saying don't be surprised when you get people that can't pay you. So what's the problem with this ad? The problem with this ad is that there is no benefit whatsoever. Well, first of all, it doesn't even really tell you what they do, but then there's no benefit whatsoever that to the user. It doesn't show it doesn't show what they do. It doesn't show what the benefit of going with a paralegal is versus a lawyer, and it doesn't show what the user's going to get. It just says, "Don't let legal matters spook you. We're professional and affordable, and we offer payment plans." So, there's really nothing enticing there. If I were to do this, and if I were to write this ad, knowing that they do, so let's see, they do DUI, DWI, criminal traffic, Tennessee, small claims, family law. They do a lot of different things here. So for example, let's say I was going to try to get, and I wouldn't do everything because not everyone, I would focus on one ad for one thing. So if you're, a personal injury attorney and you've got, if you do personal injury and criminal defense and estate planning, don't run an ad for all of them. Run an ad for one of them. So for this one, just using my marketing brain, what I would do, let's say I'm going to do divorce. What I would say, and I'm guessing that a paralegal can handle a non-complicated divorce. It's maybe an uncontested divorce where maybe there's no assets or there's not a lot of assets and there's no kids and everyone agrees on everything and all you need is the formality of the paperwork. This might be a good service. I don't know. Again, not my opinion on the service. It's my opinion on the ad. So do not send me emails. But anyway, what I would do is I would say something like, did you know that the average divorce attorney charges $3,000 or charges $5,000 for a divorce? Why pay that if you have a simple divorce when you can get the same paperwork filed and avoid all of the hassle of a divorce and the fees for one flat rate of $9.95 or something like that? So basically what you're doing is you're showing the new opportunity. You're showing the benefit is that you're going to save a lot of money by going with this paralegal. So if I'm going through a divorce or if I'm thinking about a divorce and I see this ad right here, this paralegal solutions, don't let legal matters spook you. We're professional and affordable. We offer payment plans. I don't even know what this is. I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm just going to keep scrolling. Whereas if I saw an ad that said, uncontested divorces, we're going to save you $4,000 versus going to an attorney, that would probably pique my interest. And that's something that's going to pique the average person's interest. Now, the same thing down here, they're kind of doing everything. And actually, this ad is not a very attractive ad, and it's all text. I'm actually surprised that Facebook is allowing this ad to run because it's so text heavy. But it's the same type of thing. I mean, really, they've got, we offer payment plans in the top right corner. The ad's not very attractive, so I wouldn't expect that they're going to get a lot of contacts from this ad. And what they are is probably going to be the bottom of the barrel people that are trying to really get some of that, just figure out, how cheap can I get this. So that is my suggestion. Don't run ads for the service. Run ads for the benefit. How am I benefited by using a paralegal service instead of an attorney? That's what I would do. I think that's the best way to do it. You can run, and honestly, I mean, this type of advertising campaign is extremely simple to run. They're very, very effective to run because you can compete on price a little bit. You are kind of a commodity because people are looking for an alternative to having to hire an attorney in a lot of places. But if you can show that benefit and show how the user is going to benefit and show how you're different, show new opportunity, then that's what I would do. So now, if you're an attorney, how can this apply to you? Well, basically, it's the same type of thing. I see attorneys doing this all the time. They I mean, really, you could say this. I've seen attorneys that run ads just like this. They say, "Don't let legal matters spook you. Call us today for a free consultation. If you've been injured in a car accident or if you got a DUI, call us today. We'll give you a free consultation and we take payments." Attorneys do these same types of ads just because this is a paralegal company. So, and again, attorneys would be better suited by saying, here are the benefits of hiring me, or here are the benefits of hiring an attorney versus hiring a paralegal solution. So if you want to take the reverse, where if it's if you're trying to run ads for a divorce and you've got a big company like a paralegal solution in your market, what you can do is you can basically say, here are 5 reasons that you need an attorney and not a paralegal to file your divorce for you. And now you've kind of changed their mind on that one. And then you can throw in while attorneys are more expensive, it will probably cost you, it'll save you more money in the long run. And you can, and by the way, we offer payment plans starting at, $500 a month or something, if you want to try to get rid of some of those people that just absolutely cannot afford to pay you. So, hopefully I didn't make too many people mad in this video because I know it's going to be a sensitive subject. But, just look at the psychology, look at how this is working. Hopefully this will help you improve your ads, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks.